Here is the second of Right Inbox's three-part series on Gmail tips and tricks. See the description for links to the other two parts. You can mute noisy email threads by clicking the Mute option in the conversation settings. Click the calendar icon on your Gmail account to bring your calendar up instantly. Go to the Inbox category settings to add or remove tabs. Organize your emails with color-coded stars. Add emails to your task list so you can respond to them later. Enable Send and Archive, and you can reply to an email while simultaneously archiving it. Grant access to your account to another person from the Accounts and Imports setting. You can log into multiple Gmail accounts by adding an account from your profile. Click the Google Hangouts icon to enable chat while you're in Gmail. Register your mobile phone with Gmail and use the telephone icon to make calls from Gmail. Right Inbox saves you time on repetitive tasks and helps you to send better emails in less time consistently. Track emails, automate email follow-ups, or send emails later with Right Inbox. Download Right Inbox for free from the Chrome Store today.